The use of association analysis in the application domain of education is predicting examination results using association rule mining. We are interested in finding the relationship in the following format. Student is failing in a particular subject in semester 1 is likely to fail in a particular subject in semester 2. So, nowadays, there are increasing research interests in using data mining in education. This new emerging field, called educational data mining, concerns with developing methods that discover knowledge from data originating from educational environment. The discovered knowledge can be used for prediction regarding enrollment of students in a particular course, alienation of traditional classroom teaching model, detection of unfair misuse in online examination, detection of abnormal values in the result sheets of the students, prediction about students' performance. The objective of the application domain of education is to determine whether any significant association exists between students' performance in different subjects. If such relationship exists, then this knowledge can be used to guide the students to improve their overall performance. Association rule mining is the process of finding interesting patterns or relationships exist in the large data set. Because of the availability of large data, mining association rules from the database gaining importance day by day. We are interested in such rules in which results in semester 1 are antecedent and results in semester 2 are consequent. We use 5 examples of association rules in the desired format. By replacing the subject code with subject, the above rules can be written as if a student is failing in mathematics for information technology and statistics for information technology in semester 1, he is likely to fail in discrete structure. If a student is failing in programming 1 in semester 1, he is likely to fail in programming 2. If a student is failing in programming 1 in semester 1, he is likely to fail in computer system organization. If a student is failing in computer system organization in semester 1, he is likely to fail in operating system. If a student is failing in data structure and algorithm analysis in semester 1, he is likely to fail in database system and information retrieval. In conclusion, the application domain of education presented an application of data mining in higher education. Association rule mining is applied to analyze the performance of students in their examinations. The rules discovered through association rule mining are used to predict the outcome of the forthcoming examination. The prediction may be used to guide the student at the very beginning of their semester by identifying the subject in which they need to focus more.